Hello guys, we are in a small town of Ivrogbo in Isoko Axis. We are in a place where they are trying to fix, we are in a client house where they are trying to fix solar panel for this building. You are seeing here, the panel has been arranged already, and the building happens to be a giraffe building. So the engineers are upstairs trying to get the work done in this locality. So standing here with me are some of the people who came to witness how the work is being done in this locality. You know, it's a small community settings where things are done, you know.
Don't kill your shoulder blade, just kill it. Your foot point will take rub here, don't massage you. I say not reach. It's possible say not reach.
They come.
They lose the connection.
Don't lose all.
Yeah.
Now Isaac wanted I mean I give you the
Remember to lose the connection. Separate them.
Now I give you the tear that one. Thank you. Oh yeah.
Look for look, look for light. Just look for light.
What's up?
Oh yeah. The ladder thing can come here.
Suppose use ladder, Nabi.
Already first.
It go still need you for this ladder. And then wait.
Wait.
But you sit down with me. $3.
Akwa Ibom man, say one shop
I
start.
beg, I don't see tension now.
And the corner. I want to climb.
So guys, as you can see, the engineer is trying to position the solar panel in such a way that it can fit into the rooftop. It's working assiduously to make sure that it's a learning process anyway. Trying to get how it is being done, how to hang a solar panel on top of rooftop. You know, so it's a good experience and observation when it comes to fixing a solar panel upstairs. So guys, as the engineer, Mr. Engineer Allah, doing what he knows how to do best, trying to position the solar panel on top of the roof, you know, so that you can get the best of sun ray on this building, you know, because it's a giraffe roof.
Look, where they speed. I better go. Bros, and the Christ.
Now worry, now worry, do your work first. We will talk. Make that one be another topic.
Okay, the man. No, you need that. No, as you hold up.
No, you need that, but you need another drag, but you need that.
Go drop banana. No, you need the rope off.
You need the rope.
When don't reach up, this one is going to come up. No, up on that. When you...
Okay, how's it knowing?
How's it going?
Okay, I'm with both banana.
No, why not, brother? I'll tell you.
You will climb and now what you do? Now because you know if you do all this kind of work. So guys, as you can see, the 4 solar panels have been taken upstairs. The last one is what the engineer is trying. Engineer Allah is trying to fix at the rooftop now. So it was a nice experience anyway. So guys, I believe with this experience, somebody can know how to hang a solar panel on top of the roof. So guys, as you can see, the engineer is doing a finishing touch on the roof solar, trying to connect the wire to the main building. So that is what the engineer is currently doing on the main building over there. As you can see, he's doing a finishing touch on the building, trying to ensure that all the wires do not litter around on top of the roof. So that is what you see him doing over there, guys. Trying to position the wire effectively so that wire will not litter around the place. So that is what he's currently doing there. That is engineer Ola of Rayman's Solar company. He's now coming down after doing a marvelous job on this solar rooftop. So guys, that is engineer Ola coming down on the rooftop. He's coming down, he has done a marvelous job on the rooftop. Ola, now it's nothing. It's nice meeting you.
Yeah.
Thank you for a very good job. I like the way you do your work. Okay, Remas Solar, bi?
Yes.
Remas Solars. Okay.
Company.
So Remas Solar Company.
Engineer.
Engineer Allah of Remas Solars Company. Thank you guys.
You know see that thing? No, not another scene, eh? Abi? Another scene.
How your people now?
No problem, boss.
Nice. Yeah, well done, eh?
Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Wow.
What's your problem? Not see you again.
Yeah.
You don't have the alright guy.
Your gun number.
Nah, who come my boss? I just sit down.
Sit down now. But anything when you want give me empty car.
1 year old one ladder. After 3 years, I close. You know, tí mo fẹ́ fi bọ́ọ̀nù títí ọ̀yẹ́ gbàdúrà rẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ mo fẹ́ fẹ́ wọn náà this is now majority make we go find another one kọ́ọ̀nù mẹ́rẹ̀ wúlò ìmọ̀lá àjọ mẹ́rin ẹ̀nà put this one the fix ọ̀la ọ̀zọ́
Boss here.
bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ ní ẹ̀dẹ̀dẹ̀ mẹ́rin ní tí fídíò mẹ́ta ẹ̀ mú gẹ́gẹ́ lórí mẹ́ṣínì náà fídíò yìí different group ẹ̀dí kan náà mẹ́rin pẹ̀lú ìmẹ̀rẹ̀ àti ìpẹ̀rẹ̀ àti ìpẹ̀rẹ̀ ọdún fídíò ìmẹ̀rẹ̀ yìí gbòòrò mẹ́rin fẹ́ fọ́tò ìsá ìgbòrò
For the charge now.
òyìnbó tí pò mí kó fi òyìnbó wúrí wúrọ òsì pọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ sẹ́yìn òkú.
Look your panel, see the produce.
225.
What is screw for me? What is it?
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Rogboy return where the solar panel was being done. So please comment and share. Thank you. Yes, this is my daughter Kimberly. That's Kamara at the back.
You the video.
This is Mama beautiful corner. That's our solar panel. This is our solar panel. So like and share. Thank you. Yes, so comment, so share.
So guys, we are done with the solar installation and we are going back from Rogbo down to Ori. So guys, if you like what you see, give these videos a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Freddy Kubiri is my name. This is the video that we came to install the solar panel. We are done and we are going back now. And these are some of the engineers that did the work, the marvelous work. So guys, we are already leaving now. Thank you. See you in my next video. Freddy Kubiri is my name.